Cheapest cities and states in USA for international students. The USA happens to be the dream destination of almost all students across the globe. So you're not alone if you have been aiming at getting into a US university for your higher studies. While pursuing a course in a country like the USA offers you exposure to better career opportunities and a promising future. However, the fee structure and cost of living always remain a concern for international students. Have you not been thinking about whether you can afford your higher studies in a US university? If yes, then we can guide you through a list of cities in the USA that are affordable for international students. First, San Diego. When you are looking for the cheapest US cities for international students, you will always find San Diego on the top rank. The city is a favorite of many international students. It has some of the top universities like San Diego State University, Ashford University, and the University of California. Universities in San Diego offers budget-friendly tuition fees. Also, the city offers a reasonable cost of living for international students to survive with ease here. Second, Philadelphia. Philadelphia is the next favorite spot for international students because this city is called the hub for academic excellence. Top universities such as Temple Universities and the University of Pennsylvania thrive in the city to impart education to students at an affordable fee. The cost of living in this city is extremely welcoming for the international students. Third, Atlanta. Atlanta city is not only one of the cheapest cities in the USA but also is ranked 57th in the list of best student cities in the world. Some of the top-notch universities such as Georgia Institute of Technology and Georgia State University impart world-class education in return for a comfortable fee structure. The vibrant city also is great for living because of its convenient cost of living. Fourth, Houston. Houston, one of the largest cities in the USA, attracts several students each year because of the ample opportunities available here. The University of Houston and North American University are some of the prominent names that you will find in this city, offering diversified education at a reasonable fee structure. Along with the fee structure, the cost of living in this city is also quite affordable according to the lifestyle you choose. Fifth, Baltimore. Baltimore is one of the choices for international and domestic students because of its charming backdrop and the existence of prestigious universities. The University of Baltimore, the University of Maryland, and Johns Hopkins University are top-notch universities welcoming students from different parts of the world. The city is not only majestic but also low on the cost of living for students here. Wait, have you already applied for your university and are concerned whether the city you will move to soon is also affordable or not? Here are some more cities on the list that are affordable for international students. Chicago, Pittsburgh, Arkansas, Dakota, Dallas, Mississippi, Missouri, Boston, Miami, Arizona, Minnesota, Wyoming. So do your research in advance and decide whichever the best is for you.